This is your first class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Last week from Saturday, Monday to Friday, क्या आप लोग आपका कुछ हो गया? ऐसे you can share it. जैसे your brother something he would have gone to a college or some job, something you can share something. Can you, Rupesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, be free.
You mean I
When
have to share my own thought?
you have to tell?
Ma'am, I say I have to share my personal thought.
No. What
Experience.
happened in the last week for you?
Oh.
Okay. Yes, you can start. Yes, Sonam, can you share?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Last week I told you what is my introduction, how, how I am, and I and Monday to Friday and Monday to Saturday I wait only Saturday class.
Okay, fine. Very good. Then Balram Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
anything interesting happened last week? कुछ अच्छा, कुछ अजीब या something you came across?
No, ma'am.
Nothing special?
Yes, ma'am. मतलब uh,
It was an ordinary week for you?
uh, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है ma'am.
अच्छा, आप हिंदी में बोलो, मैं I will translate it in English.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
लास्ट वीक में मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा स्पेशल मतलब क्लास हुआ मतलब सब चीज एक ऐसा हो रहा था कि मतलब पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि कैसा मतलब कैसे निकल रहा है
अच्छा,
दिमाग में बहुत अच्छा अच्छा चीज था
ओके फाइन.
और
आप घर में से क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं? घर से
क्या मैम
अटेंड कर रहे हैं? घर से क्लास अटेंड कर रहे
यस
हैं? हाँ,
यस मैम
आपका. Okay, so it was very interesting. You are waiting for your teachers to come and take class for you, isn't it? Okay.
यस मैम
Then, one thing we have to remember, whenever we talk, I am talking about myself. I. So we have to use only am. I am going to the market. I am going to see my madam. I am going to attend the class at 10 o'clock. I am going to see movie. I am going to have breakfast. I am going to the college today to do my work, or I am going to take a license for my scooter. Right? Whenever you use
यस मैम
I, you will use am only. Okay?
यस मैम
Suppose I want to tell
Hello, ma'am.
about others. He, she, okay? He, she, it, this, that. For that we have to use is. This is an English communication class. That is, she's taking the class nicely. She's talking nicely, or she's wearing a beautiful dress. She's going to meet madam tomorrow. Okay. He's going to beach today with his friends. So whenever we say he, she, it is beautiful building. They, this, that. So we use is. Similarly for you and we, they are, we is plural. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा लोग हैं तो we use करते हैं. तो we are, we say we are, you are writing your exam today. You are attending the class today. We are attending the communication class now. Okay. So these are the basic thing we have to learn. Can you follow, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
यस
So
मैम
normally, when communication, when we are talking, we don't pay attention to all this. I are going. Sometimes we make mistakes. So I am. He, she, it, this, that, is. We, you, they, all plural. बहुत ज़्यादा they means you will use are only. Understood? Okay. The second thing what we are going to learn today is, first thing is am, is, are. So am we use when we have I. When we use only I am. For no other thing we use am. Is we use he, she, it, this, that. He is, she is, it is, this is, that is. There we don't use any other verb, auxiliary verb. These are called auxiliary verb. Then we, they, you, these, those, all plurals. Except you know sometimes we use for plural also, singular also. You are going to the class today. All of you are
Ma'am.
going to the class today. Yes, Rupesh?
Ma'am, auxiliary verb or helping verb is same, ma'am.
Make it little more clear.
Auxiliary verb is also known as helping verb, na?
Helping verb. Yes, yes. It doesn't make, I write exam. There is no meaning, it is incomplete verb, a sentence. I am writing the exam today. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it helps it. Very good. So see, you all know basic grammar you would have learned in your school. Only lacking is you are not communicating. Only that is
Yes,
the
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
little
Only
bit of problem. So we will communicate now. Okay? Fine. Can anyone say, okay, now this is about the small, simple things. Then the second thing what we use is have, has, had. Isn't it? And we use, I have to submit the assignment today.
Assignment.
Assignment today. I have to go to meet madam today. I have to meet my uncle today. I have to buy provision for my house today. Right? So when I say I, we use have. When we use has, he, she, it, when we say about the other persons, right? The first person is I, we, you. All these we have to use only have. For other things, we can use has. She has a bike. She has a beautiful smile. She has a long hair. He has a passion for learning English. Right? So there we use has. Okay. Now a little bit of breaking session. Now, Durgesh Kumar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Durgesh. Yeah, I think last week we have not spoken. Did you speak last week?
No, ma'am. Actually, I have some problem, ma'am.
You are having some problem. Okay, fine. Now,
Yes.
can you tell me about yourself?
I can tell you about yourself, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning to all of you. Thanks to my teacher who has given me this golden chance to introduce myself before you. My name is Durgesh Kumar, Durgesh Kesari Deva, and I am from Bihar, in district Buxar. Presently, I am doing BTech from Dr. MGR University, and now I am in first year, and my branch is Computer Science Engineering. In my family, and apart from my parents, I have an elder brother and two elder sisters. And thank you, ma'am. That's all about me.
What is your elder brother doing?
Actually, my elder brother is doing army preparation, ma'am.
Army?
Yeah, army preparation. For
Oh,
army
he is
preparation.
preparing. He is preparing
Yes.
for army.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What is he finished? He has finished his.
What, ma'am?
What is his qualification?
Yeah, my brother.
Yeah.
Actually, he is graduation in third year, BSc.
Okay, he is BSc.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, he's doing his BSc final year and is preparing for his
Army.
army to enter in the army. He's preparing
Yes, ma'am.
to enter in the army. This is how you will develop your communication skill. Okay.
Ma'am,
I'm just
ma'am.
correcting you a little bit so that you can get next time when you talk to somebody, you will use these words. Yes,
Yes,
Durgesh.
ma'am. Actually, in my mind come to so many words. Okay, while I
No,
do speaking, might forget my words and forget my fluently.
it's not clear,
So what do I
Durgesh.
do?
Can you
Okay,
repeat
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, in my mind, fluency is so high, so I am going to outside of my room, and then I. Hello, ma'am. All
Yes.
clear? Hello,
हाँ, बोलो बेटा.
hello,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I can.
Actually, in my in my in my mind
Yes,
comes to so many words. Okay,
yes.
then when I will go to speak from here, I will forget my words. I will forget my fluency. So what do I do, ma'am?
Yes, yes. This everybody will have, Durgesh. Even if I have to take a class without
Yes, ma'am.
preparation, I will stammer in words. Okay. So for anything,
Yes.
so for anything, see, supposing you want to deliver something, deliver some speech somewhere, or supposing, see, for example, I have to take a class today. Now I have to prepare myself in my mind, and I have to take down. See, I have a notebook, and I have taken down what I
Yes.
have to teach you today, what I have to stress today, right? So
Yes.
anything, for that matter, of course, you will be knowing, right? आप लोगों को पता है कि हमेशा प्रिपरेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एनीथिंग फॉर अस टू डू, राइट? एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज, दिस इज अ डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज फॉर अस. इंग्लिश है ना, हम लोग छोटा से सुनते नहीं है, थोड़ा से सुनते हैं, क्योंकि आप लोगों का नेटिव बिहार है. जैसे हमारा
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ ना तमिल ज्यादा सुनते हैं, लेकिन इंग्लिश उस सेम वे सुनते हैं. लेकिन आई नो,
Yes, ma'am.
आई एम नॉट फाइंडिंग फॉल्ट, बट हिंदी ज्यादा डोमिनेट होता है, तो आप लोग हिंदी सुनते हैं, इंग्लिश नहीं सुनते हैं. इसलिए आप लोगों को एक थोड़ा सा डर है कि आई मे बी रॉन्ग इन टॉकिंग टू अदर्स, एंड यू डोंट हैव एनी मौका तो नहीं मिला होगा आप लोगों को. ओके,
No,
to
ma'am.
communicate in English, you wouldn't have got a chance because
Yes,
everybody
ma'am.
knows Hindi. Everybody knows Hindi in your place.
Yes.
So
Yes,
आप
yes,
हिंदी
ma'am.
में,
Everybody.
that is one thing. Okay, so now you have the opportunity. You have the opportunity to talk in English, to converse in English. So for
Ma'am,
that, yes, Sonam.
may I ask one thing?
Yes.
Ma'am, you speak so well. What secret for this?
No
Did you
secret
do
at
any
all.
class?
No, no, no.
Did you do
I
any class for spoken English, Tamil? You know six language, but I only know Hindi and a little white English. Ma'am,
no
I want to
actually.
say, ma'am,
Yes.
can you
Yes,
tell
sir.
your story? You
That.
learned spoken English and other six language. How?
Yeah, okay, okay. I'll just share my how I learned it. Actually, some people, there are two parts of the brain for us, isn't it? Left side brain and right side brain. For
Yeah,
some
yeah.
people, some part of the brain works uh, in a better way. For example, I can remember numbers very well. Phone numbers, I can, once if I want to register, I register it in my way. And each and everybody has a different way of learning the things. For me, I had the opportunity to go and stay in Kerala for 1 year, 3 months. I stayed there for 1 year, 3 months in Kerala with my brother. Before marriage, I had to go to Kerala, so I stayed there for 1 year. The first, after maybe 3 months, 3 months ke baad, I went to a temple. There, the Chakyar Kutu, it is a program which was happening in the temple. जैसे हरिकथा होता है ना,
Yes, ma'am.
मंदिर में
Yes, ma'am.
भागवत पढ़ते हैं
मैम
या
देन वहाँ पे बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ होगा ना.
वो तो
केरला
बहुत,
में तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम
उसमें ना बहुत कठिन शब्द यूज करते हैं. प्रॉपर मलयालम वर्ड्स वर यूज्ड. तो मेरे पीछे जो लोग बैठे थे, आई वॉज 20 सो पीछे लोग बोलते थे बिना मलयालम मालूम करके ये चाक्यार कूத்து सुनने के लिए आई है, ठीक है। वो लोग मजाक उड़ा रहे थे मेरे ऊपर. I was thinking, okay, just because I didn't know the language, they are teasing me because uh, हिंदी, जैसे हिंदी सुनने के लिए ये जो लोग पढ़ते हैं ना, कबीर का या कुछ दोहा पढ़ने
कबीर
के
का
लिए
दो है, करीम के दो है मैम।
हमको हिंदी जरूर मालूम होना चाहिए. जो बोलते हैं उसको एक्सप्लेन कोई करते हैं तो हमको हिंदी जरूर मालूम होना चाहिए. जैसे मलयालम में ऐसे ही था. वो बहुत कठिन शब्द में मलयालम में बोल रहे थे. तो आई was little hesitant, like they were teasing me without knowing the language. She has come to listen. Then I had in my mind, okay, I will learn the language, right? जैसे आप लोग अभी you have that determination, no? Now you are all having the determination that I will talk in English fluently.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that is how I thought. Then I started learning. मलयालम मूवीज का पोस्टर होगा, ओके. सो ऊपर मलयालम में होगा, नीचे इंग्लिश में होगा. सो आई स्टार्टेड correlating English and Malayalam. So you have to correlate Hindi and English. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is how we learn a language. We just cannot learn a language. Oh, I have to learn English. I have to talk everything. I have to do only in English. You just start comparing it, correlating it with your own language to understand. Understood? So I started learning first only the cinema names. In Malayalam it will be written, in English it will be written. So I started correlating the letters. Now I know to read, write Malayalam actually. So only that way I started learning Malayalam. But I had the little confidence to talk. Even if it is wrong, I used to talk in Malayalam. So I learned Malayalam like that. I had the opportunity to stay there. Actually, you people are very gifted. If you stay in now come to stay in Tamil Nadu, no, maybe after some time you will come to your college. So when you start talking with your friends, you will learn English.
Ma'am,
That
I
is-
already came.
Yes, Rupesh.
I have already came in Tamil, ma'am.
Oh, you are already there in Chennai.
Yes, ma'am. I am in Chennai now.
Oh, very good. See, you will start learning very fast actually, because you will start learning two languages, Tamil and English. Because Tamil,
Yes.
wherever you go, you have to learn it, Tamil, something to take in hotel, something to tell podum, venum, all this starting you will learn. Similarly, with your friends, when you start communicating, you will start learning in English. Okay. So you have to learn English like that. So that is how I started learning Malayalam. And when I went to Karnataka, Hindi, of course, I didn't know a word. After marriage, we had to go to Goa. My husband was in Goa, so I had to go to Goa. Goa में गई थी, एक शब्द भी नहीं मालूम थी. तो I told you, no, सुन I was listening only to DD News. Only then it was only the Doordarshan was there for 1 hour. Regional program will be there, 1 hour or 2 hours. So we used to listen all the time Hindi. That is how I learned Hindi. And my husband was in defense. So when we talk to others, defense quarters, we had to communicate in Hindi. So I learned Hindi. Then we moved on to Karnataka, Bangalore. So I had the opportunity to learn Kannada also. Telugu, I had some friends. So I learned not very much, but to some extent I can talk Telugu. I can understand Telugu. So this is my short story of learning the languages. Okay. Balram Kumar. Balram Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me what is your interest? Any hobbies?
ma'am.
Can tell me about your hobbies and interest. Yes.
I hope learning English and English.
I am learning English.
Yeah, I am learning English.
Okay.
And uh, very fast.
You are learning. I am learning English very fast.
I am learning English very fast because uh, other country for other country and our country and and used in English and other language. So I am learning in
English.
English very fast. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So Balram, see, you can put these like this. I want to learn English very fast because
Yeah.
when we go to other countries or in any other working place, we need to know the language. So I want to learn English very fast. So this is one of your hobbies. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Hobbies, matlab, not only learning languages. You can see somebody may be good in painting, somebody may be good in art, somebody may be good in dance, somebody may be good in singing or mimicry or
Ma'am,
any other thing.
I am.
Yes, Rupesh. Yes, Rupesh.
Ma'am, my hobbies.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Singing.
singing. Okay, your hobby is
Singing is
singing.
my hobby.
Very good. You sing very beautifully.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
last 5 minutes you will sing a song for us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes,
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes.
kindly request
Very good.
request.
So if, now you can develop your hobbies. Okay. Not only see there may be any time some interest you will get it. Suddenly that interest you will create and you can start working on that interest more. How many of you have started listening to some conversation in YouTube with in English? Have you all started that?
I ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I
Start.
listening.
Very good. So need not join any course and all. You can start listening. Okay. So the more you start listening, the more the words you will get acquainted with that. Acquainted मतलब बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. एक शब्द को दोबारा दोबारा सुनते हैं ना तो वो माइंड में बैठ जाता है. So जैसे same way in English also you start listening to the words, listening to the conversation, that words will get accumulated. वो हमारा मन में रह जाएगा. So you can start using it when you want to use it. Understood? Supposing
Yes, ma'am.
your madam says you have to submit your assignments tomorrow. ठीक है? आप क्या जवाब दे देंगे उसको?
Okay, ma'am. I will.
ताहिर मनहस.
Okay, ma'am, I submitted.
I submitted.
Ah,
I will
submitted.
submitted.
No.
I will submitted.
It's not I will submit it. You can say two things. One is I have already submitted, ma'am. I means have. So I have already submitted or I will submit it tomorrow. Right? You can use both the things. Already if you have submitted,
Okay.
you can use I have submitted. Otherwise you will say I will submit it tomorrow. Right? Okay. Then if your madam is asking, आप लोग टेस्ट लिखने के लिए रेडी है, प्रिपेयर कर चुके हैं? So what will be your answer? Avinash,
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan?
I will.
Ready for
Yes, ma'am.
exams.
Sir, I have.
Ready for test.
बोले ma'am,
I am
I
ready.
ready.
I am.
You will
I
not
am
say
ready.
anything in one word. Okay, you have to tell in
I
full
have
time.
prepared for test.
Yeah, very good, Rupesh. I'm prepared for the test. Okay, I will write the test.
I have, ma'am.
Yes, I have prepared for the test. Now you will say I am prepared for the test. Okay, Rupesh?
Yes, ma'am.
I am prepared for
Excuse me,
the
ma'am.
test. Okay, another somebody
Hello.
is telling I am ready for the test.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shubham.
Ma'am, my seminar is starting at 10:30 o'clock. Ma'am, may I leave this class?
Yeah, okay. Okay, beta.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. So how will you say Ramanand Kumar? I'm sorry if I pronounce your name wrongly. Ramanand Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. बोलो बेटा, how will you say? मैडम पूछ रही है आप टेस्ट लिखने के लिए रेडी है? So how will you give the answer?
I am ready to write the test.
वेरी गुड. आई एम रेडी टू राइट द टेस्ट. सी जब आप लोग बोलते जाएंगे तो वो हिंदी एक्सेंट दूर हो जाएगा, इंग्लिश एक्सेंट आ जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड? सो जस्ट कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट whatever. Yes, I have to prepare for this test. No, Surabhi Kumari, you have to tell I am prepared for the test. Or I am sorry, ma'am, I have to prepare for the test. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Prepared is past tense. It's already finished. So we cannot use for that. So I have to prepare for the test. Or if you are already prepared, I am prepared for the test. You will use am or have. Okay? Right. Avinash,
Yes, ma'am.
Avinash Aryan. I think
Yes, ma'am.
I have not spoken to you at all. Correct?
No, ma'am. I spoken, but
Yes. Okay. How was your last week? Where are you now? Avinash?
yes, ma'am.
Where
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you now?
From Bihar.
I am in Bihar. You will say in full sentence. That is a condition now. Only thing is we have to talk in full sentence. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Avinash, you are in Bihar. Okay. Which part of Bihar?
My district Banka Jila at
Okay.
Bihar.
What is special in your place? क्या स्पेशल है आपका प्लेस में?
My special place of Mandar Masudan temple.
Temple. Okay. So you will say the special in my place is the temple, Mandar, whatever it is. Okay. So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
how you will start talking. Understood?
Yes,
Avinash?
ma'am.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
so the special, immediately you need not answer. See, somebody is asking a question, just think about the answer in your few seconds. Our mind is so brilliant and so fast, you know, it will take, give the answer immediately. But for us to communicate, you just have to little time. Take little 1 or 2 minutes and then reply to them. You prepare the words and then somebody was asking, madam, how to, I have lots of word comes into your mind, how to talk. This is how we have to talk. We have to first correlate, then communicate in the right sense. Okay, fine. Now Tahir Manhas. Tahir?
Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
Yes, where are you from, beta?
Ma'am, I am from Jammu and Kashmir, Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir. Ma'am.
Pardon? I'm not able to hear you, Tahir.
Ma'am, I am from Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir state, ma'am.
Jammu and Kashmir. Wow.
Yeah, ma'am.
To the top most of India.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. How is your place now? Calm?
Yeah, ma'am.
How is your place now? आपका प्लेस अभी कैसा है?
Hot or cold?
उनका माइक थोड़ा डिस्टरबेंस हो रहा है.
Network issue, ma'am.
Okay, network issue or maybe the mic is having some problem. Okay, fine. Okay, now anything in particular? Okay, Tahir, you can off your mic. Okay, fine. I think Tahir's mic was making little problem. Okay, anything in particular you want to learn in English so that I can proceed it that way? Madam, this how to communicate, how to tell these things. Do you have anything like that in particular?
Ma'am,
Rupesh? Yes.
ma'am, ask to Mintu. He's too low in English.
हाँ तो हिंदी में बोलो बेटा.
मैम मिंटू से बात कीजिए, वो इंग्लिश बहुत कम, मतलब उसको थोड़ा ज्यादा.
Mintu, I am not having him.
मैम मिंटू इज देयर मैम.
Mintu.
Hello, I'm
Yeah.
Mintu.
Yeah, Mintu. Yes. Good morning, Mintu.
I'm from Bihar, part Vaishali.
You are from Bihar. Okay. अभी कहाँ पढ़ रहे हो? Where have you joined?
MGR, ma'am.
अभी
No, he will say, Rupesh.
Let him
Mintu will
answer.
say. Mintu will say. Yes.
yes.
Where
अब
did you join, Mintu?
yeah.
Yes. First you will say I. Okay. I. Where did you join? I have joined MGR
Yeah.
University. Yeah, you repeat it now. How will you say?
What?
Where did you join?
Join Dr. NGR University.
I have joined Dr. MGR University. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
What? कौन सा course कर रहे हो अभी? Which course are you doing now?
I have BTech in biotechnology
Okay.
from Dr. NGR University.
Okay. I have joined BTech in biotechnology in MGR University. Okay? Fine.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Where is MGR University?
क्या?
कहाँ है MGR University? Where is MGR University?
MGR University is Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
It is MGR University is in Chennai and in Tamil Nadu. Very good. अभी कहाँ है आप?
I live
कहाँ है आप? अभी बिहार में
बिहार
या चेन्नई में?
बिहार में.
बिहार में. ओके. आपका परिवार के बारे में बोल सकते हो? Can you tell me about your family?
Yeah.
Yes.
My father is a farmer.
Yes, very good. Your father is a farmer.
I am two brothers.
Okay, I have two brothers.
House.
Elder.
The house. My house. I am
Yes, Mintu. बोलो. बोलो. You have two brothers. Elder brother या younger brother? आपसे बड़े हैं या छोटे हैं?
हमसे छोटे हैं.
तो younger brother. You have two younger brothers.
Yeah.
Okay. Ma? Tell me.
My father is farmer. I am a student. My grandfather name is Milan Prasad Chaurasia. I am beloved Bihar. My village name is Adampur. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. What is your brothers doing?
Teaching.
They are studying?
Reading. Yes, study.
They are studying. Okay. Reading is what we are doing now. Reading a book, something, reading a novel, like that. We have to say they are studying. Okay. They are studying. My brothers are studying. So maybe 8th standard, 10th standard, whatever it is. My brothers are studying in the school. Okay. If they are doing in the college, you will say my brothers are studying in the college. Okay. Yes. Okay, fine. Anything else in particular you want to learn? How to converse? Durgesh? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
What, ma'am?
No. Anything particularly you want to learn? How to, because you would have come across some difficulties, when madam is taking classes, you would have come across some difficulties. Kuch, yeah.
Spoken English and grammatical English is different.
No, no, we have to talk grammatically only, Rupesh. Spoken English and grammatical English are the same one only, right? Because
Yes, ma'am.
grammar we learn to for testing purpose. The same thing we use it when we are communicating. That is why I told you the verbs is where we have to use, are where we have to use. These are all the part of the grammar communication. Okay, conversation.
Okay, ma'am.
Grammar we learn to for the test purpose, but the same thing we have to use it for our conversation purpose. Otherwise, our sentence will become meaningless. I was coming to school. Sometimes we make mistakes. For example, I want to submit the paper today. Right? I want to submit the assignment today. What we say, I submitted the paper today. Most of us use this type of sentence. I want to submit the paper assignment today. This is how I have to communicate. Because I have not yet submitted the paper. मैंने paper submit नहीं किया, आज submit करेंगे. तो कैसे बोलेंगे? I want to submit the paper today. Or I will submit the paper today. I submit paper today. So it doesn't make sense. Okay, I will submit the paper today, or I want to submit the paper today. You can use both the ways.
I have to
Yes,
submit today.
I have to submit it today. I have to submit.
Is
Madam
it
will
correct?
ask you, Madam will ask you, did you submit the paper today? No, ma'am, I have to submit the paper today.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
I have to. I have submit. If you say the two, if you don't use that, it means that you have already
Yes,
submitted.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I have to submit. That means you are yet to submit. आपको submit करने के लिए time है अभी. ठीक है. So anything else in particular you want to learn? Madam will say attend the class link. We have sent the link. Join the link. So if you are not getting the link, कैसे बोलेंगे? See, madam has
I'm not getting link.
Okay,
English
I
class.
am not getting the link. Anybody else? Only Rupesh is
I
answering.
have not received the link.
I have not received the link. Okay, Praveen, good. Then
I
what
have
other
not
ways?
joined this link.
Yes.
I have not joined this link
I have not
because
joined the links. Okay.
Ma'am,
I'm
how
not
I
able
fill
to
my
open the
attendance?
link. I'm not able to open the link.
Surbi,
I'm not
How I
able to
fill my
open the
attendance,
link.
ma'am?
I am not able to join the link. Yes. Sona.
I haven't got the
I
link.
didn't
Yes, ma'am.
got
I
any
also not.
link.
So you can say, Madam, I am not able to join the link. I am not getting the internet connection. So please kindly excuse. Or Madam, I have a problem. I will join the class. I will join the link. If you have not received the link, you can say, Madam, I have not received the link. Please send the link again. Okay. So you can say that way. Please send the link again. I have not received the link. If you have received the link and you are not able to join, ma'am, I am not able to join the link. Please kindly excuse. Okay. And we have to use the word please, thank you quite often. In every, whatever sentence we use, sometimes we may be mistake. So that time we have to use please. Do you follow me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So because sometimes even in internet nowadays, internet problems are there. So you may not be able to join. Madam, I am not able to join. Kindly excuse. I am trying to join. Please excuse. I will join immediately. Once the link is there, I will join immediately. Or sometimes current will not be there in your house. Then you may not join. Right. So you can say, Madam, supply is not there. So I will join once a supply resumes. Resumes is it comes back. Okay. Once a supply resumes, I will join the class. Okay. This is how you will say to ask for excuses. Fine. Okay. Anything else? Okay, just we have to converse. Okay, dialogue. When you just meet your friend. Now, Rupesh and Durgesh. You both are friends you have met after a long time. How will you start the conversation?
Hello, friend. How are you?
Yes. Hi, Rupesh. Do you say friend? Won't you say his name?
Durgesh.
Ah. Hi, Durgesh. How are you?
Hi, Durgesh. How are you?
Yeah. So, what Durgesh will answer?
I'm fine. I am fine, and thanks. And how are you?
Yeah, very good.
Also
See, this
fine,
is
bro.
how. 1 second, Rupesh. Durgesh, you are correct. You will say,
Me too,
I
bro.
am fine. Thank you. How are you? This is how we have to reciprocate immediately.
Me
Okay.
too, bro.
Okay.
So,
So that's all.
what are you doing today in these days? What are you doing in these days?
What are you doing in this?
This dead.
Days.
Days.
In this date? So you will just ask, what are you doing nowadays? Okay. Or
Okay.
what are you doing now? Yes, Rupesh. Yes, Rupesh.
Nothing, bro. I have taken admission in MGR and preparing for BTech.
Okay. I
Yeah.
have joined. You can say, Rupesh, I have joined MGR University. I have taken BTech CSC group, whatever group you have taken. I'm preparing for it. Very good. So, Durgesh, so you can ask him, no, Rupesh.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rupesh.
I have taken admission in MGR. Is this not correct?
Instead, no, that is correct. But in a polished way, I have
Okay.
joined MGR University. Okay. I have joined MGR University and I have taken BTech course. You can say I have opted for BTech course. That's a little more a better word. See, every time we use, everybody speaks English. A second standard child also will speak, fifth standard child will speak, 12th standard child will speak, and college goers will speak. We have to develop little by little. Okay, the words. Okay, now Sonam Kumari and Surbi Kumari. Very good, Durgesh and Rupesh. You have come forward.
Thank you.
Now
Thank
Surbi
you, ma'am.
and Sonam.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Sonam.
Hi,
Hi, Sonam. Good morning.
Survi. How are you?
I'm fine. You, you, Sonam. I'm fine.
Hey,
You?
tell you. I'm also fine. Nice to meet you.
Oh,
Yes,
I
nice to
know
meet
about
you.
you.
Please see if you are,
I know about you.
you know about her. Sonam, you know about
so,
Surbi
Yes,
Kumari.
so
You
tell
have met,
some.
yes, ma'am.
you have met her already.
What a beautiful, what a
Yes, ma'am. Both
surprise.
are
Yes, Surbi.
Sonam and me. Both are A section, ma'am.
Both are
Yes,
in
ma'am.
same section.
A section, and
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are good friends.
But now only you know them. Now only you know her, isn't it? Do you know her? Huh? You have
Ma'am.
met her only now, no, in this college.
Yes, ma'am. In this
So,
college.
so you ask her about her interest. See, if you want to know about a friend, you will ask her, no, what is your interest? You will come to know about their family. Then only you can become little more closer, isn't it?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Balram.
I want to speak group discussion like other friend like
Okay,
Rupesh and
you talk to your friend, some friend. Okay.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Yes,
Can talk.
Rupesh, you can talk. Rupesh is very good, coming forward for everything. Very good, Rupesh. Help your friends.
Thank you, ma'am.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Balram. Balram, you can talk to Rupesh.
Hello, Balram bhai. Good morning.
Good morning. How do you do,
Very good. That is one way of asking. Another
Yes,
way of
bro.
asking.
bro? Tell how do
Bro.
you do?
Rupesh, you will say,
Yeah,
I'm doing good. How
I
do
am
you
good.
good.
do?
And what
And
are you
bro, what
doing
about
today?
you?
one at a time.
Okay, bro, you ask.
Yes.
What, bro?
You ask, bro. I will reply.
Okay, Balram, you ask him,
Properly.
he will reply.
Yeah. What are you doing today?
Now I am attending this class in front of you.
And
Yeah. What is your plan today?
it's for you.
I will have to make a assignment today.
I will have to write. I have to write, not I will have to write. Okay, Rupesh, you will say, I have to write the assignment today.
मैम
Okay?
मुझे बनाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, yeah, I have to write the assignment today.
This is future tense.
Okay? This is how you will say, I have to write the assignment today. Or I will write the assignment today. Not will and have.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I will write the assignment today or I have to write the assignment today. So both are correct. Not
Okay.
will, have to. Okay, fine. So I will ask Kumar Yuvraj. Kumar Yuvraj. He is logged in. He is not there. Praveen?
Yuvraj, are you there?
Yuvraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Praveen is there. Okay. Praveen and Yuvraj. Yuvraj is not there. Yuvraj has joined, but he is not there. Okay, Praveen.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your plan today?
Ma'am, I'm just like sitting here, enjoying your class, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Well, after this,
Yeah.
after the class, what is your plan?
After the class, I was thinking to play some games and study a little bit, ma'am.
Okay, you are planning to play and then study. What is your
Yes, ma'am.
interest in playing? Which game do you want to play?
I like to play before like action games, adventure. They have more like shooting games.
Oh, you want to play in video games only?
Yes, ma'am. No, I will go to first study after 1 hours. I will go play games, ma'am, for a day.
Okay, you
Then
will
I will
study
go for
and
study.
then after that you will play.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which sport do you like, Praveen?
Sports, I like running race. I never play sports outside, ma'am. I
What
just
is that?
I never
What
played
sport?
sports game, ma'am.
You have not played at all.
No, ma'am.
In your
I
school, you would have played,
sports.
no?
I have played, but they go for PT players, ma'am. But never go for games. I just play with my friends only, ma'am. Just sitting
Oh,
over there,
okay.
enjoying
In the
friends,
PT
talking to them.
period, you will be playing, no? PT
Sorry,
period.
ma'am.
In the PT
Yes,
period or games period?
yes, ma'am. But I go there and just sit there and enjoy with friends. I will not go and play like others, ma'am. I just sit there, see other people's playing, like kabaddi games, other games.
Okay, so you will enjoy and you play also sometime.
Sometimes, ma'am, not every time. Just go and enjoy the game, sit and enjoy them. Cheers.
Okay, okay. Very good, Praveen. See, sometime, we also need to exercise and be fit. For that, we have to do some game is another a part of it which we can develop our mental ability and physical ability. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Then somebody Thakur, Pardeep Thakur, Pardeep Thakur, not Yuvraj. Friends, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
tell who's there. Pardeep
I'm
Thakur.
Pradeep Thakur.
Yes, Pardeep Thakur. What are you doing now?
Nothing, ma'am. Attending the class.
Nothing, ma'am. Today you don't have any other classes?
No, ma'am.
Today you're free.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your plan today?
I'm English spoken course, ma'am.
After that, this will get over by 11 o'clock.
Ma'am, there is no class after that, ma'am.
Okay. So what have you planned to do today?
Ma'am, ma'am, writing the assignment after that.
Okay, I have to write the assignment or I will write the assignment after the class. Okay? So when have you
Okay.
to, when do you need to submit your assignment?
Ma'am, don't know, ma'am.
You don't know when to submit the assignment. Date is not given?
No, ma'am.
Okay, but you have to be ready with the assignment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, I told you last 5 minutes I want to listen to, I think Rupesh Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Rupesh Kumar was told no that you are good in singing.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
I,
friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Friends, can we hear from Rupesh Kumar?
Yes, 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 ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Rupesh, you can start better.
okay, ma'am. This is Rupesh, I-27 from Bihar, Muzaffarpur. I just try to sing.
You try to sing, no problem. We will enjoy. However it is, we will enjoy.
Ma'am, I want to ask how many are there fans of Arjit Singh or any other?
You sing better. They will all enjoy. Whoever it is, song.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
भीगी भीगी सड़कों पे मैं तेरा इंतजार करूं, धीरे धीरे दिल की जमीन को तेरे नाम करूं, खुद को मैं यूं खो दूं कि फिर न भी पाऊं, सनम रे तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे, सनम रे तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे, करम रे तेरा मुझ पे करम हुआ रे, सनम रे मेरा सनम हुआ रे, बादलों की तरह ही तो तूने मुझ पे साया किया है, आंधियों की तरह ही तो तूने खुशियों को आया है. Sorry, ma'am. But I
Yeah.
know, ma'am, 90th song.
Very good.
Kumar
Very
Sanu,
good.
Udit.
Okay. Very good, Rupesh. A round applause for Rupesh Kumar. You can put it in the chat. You can put it in the chat only. The claps for Rupesh Kumar. Very good, Rupesh. Coming forward for helping
Thank
your
you, ma'am.
friends also. Same way, no. Try to converse with your friends as far as possible in a few simple terms in English only. You are well versed in your mother tongue, no doubt about it.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will just try whenever you talk to your friends, communicate, just try only in English, and chatting is not allowed. For
Ma'am,
chatting we use all
in my class only,
languages, Yes.
I am only in my class from Bihar now.
No, there are so many friends, in
Rest of my
Bihar.
friends,
You can call
yes, ma'am,
them.
but
You
they
can
are from different section.
no problem. Different sections means what? Everybody is friends. This is a platform to become friends. Okay. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can note
Today I
them.
know about all
So you
that
can
he
call
also
them.
from Bihar.
You can call them and talk to them. Okay. Instead of
Yes, ma'am.
chatting. Yes, Kumari, Julie.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
actually, in last class you asked about a link, YouTube link. You may not
Yeah.
send it yet.
I have sent to madam.
Okay, ma'am. But
I have
we
sent
didn't.
to madam.
Didn't provide, ma'am.
Pardon?
Didn't provide, ma'am. I don't get the link right
You
now.
did. Okay. I will ask madam to send the link today. Okay. And before next week, I will just share a Google form with madam. Madam may be sharing it with you. Just complete it and send it back. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
A simple test.
Okay, ma'am.
Simple only. Whatever you are, we have spoken today, that only we will be testing it in the Google form. Okay. टेस्ट मीन्स डर लग रहे हैं, डर लगता है ना? आप लोग इतना, you're all intelligent people, you can just crack it like this, the test. Okay, simple. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, can I take leave today now? Anything in particular you want to ask? For next week I will prepare and keep. Anything you want to learn in particular, tell me next week, otherwise I will go with my own syllabus.
Ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am. I want to sing my one favorite song of Kumar Sanu.
That is next week.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, children. Ma'am, can I leave, ma'am? I think ma'am was there.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
In between I had a network issue, so I just came
No
out.
problem. No. Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah.
We were able to continue, but only very few children
Yes.
are conversing back.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can just
Probably.
point out and then tell them to communicate so that they will get that fear out, madam.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure. I have created a group for them in WhatsApp, so I will converse with them in the WhatsApp.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
next week we'll see that all are talking in English.
Yeah, just because if only when they come out we can find out what
Yes.
mistake they are doing, we can correct them.
Yes,
There
yes.
are some children, they are very good in communicating. Now they are ready to do it.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, and
Thank you, ma'am.
students see that you are communicating in English, not only for the course, okay? After that, you should
Yes, ma'am.
make use of whatever you have
Okay.
learned. That is why we are all doing this, okay? So from next week, we all of you should interact. It's only an interactive class. That is why we have reduced the number and I have segregated you according to your mother tongue. So madam will also find it easy to converse in any one language, okay? So
Yes, ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Next week we'll meet.
Yeah, next week we'll meet you. We'll meet in the next week, children. Bye.
Ma'am, I am
Yes, ma'am.
waiting for
Bye,
your
Bye,
ma'am.
bye.
answer.
Thank you,
Take
ma'am.
care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next
Yeah.
Tuesday.
Okay. Yeah.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Mm, Dean Engineering and Science UI.